ever have to sneeze, and it's just like in there, and it just wants to come out, and it's just like back and forth, and you're about to sneeze, and it's like, and then it starts back into your brain. And then it's like, your life isn't complete because it went back into your brain. And then it just feels all constipated in there because it never really got out. And I just feel incomplete, and it just makes me angry. And I just know there's a whole bunch of old sneezes sitting up in there, and I just want them to come out. But they retreated and just are chilling in there. Those stupid bastards. Oh yeah, but this was dedicated to Samuel Dorman.